Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay to send money. First, make sure you have an eligible debit card set up in your wallet app. This is crucial for sending and receiving funds. Next, open the Messages app on your iPhone. You can either start a new conversation with the person you want to send money to or select an existing chat. Once in the conversation, look for the Apple Pay icon just above your keyboard. Tapping this will initiate the payment process. After tapping the Apple Pay icon, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to send. You can send anywhere from $1 up to $10,000 in a single transaction. Double-check the recipient's name and the amount to ensure everything is correct. To authorize the payment, you'll use Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. The funds are then sent instantly, either from your Apple Cash balance or directly from your linked debit card. When someone sends you money via Apple Pay, it's automatically added to your Apple Cash card, which you can find in your wallet app. This balance is immediately available for use. You can spend your Apple Cash balance for purchases wherever Apple Pay is accepted, send it to other contacts, or easily transfer it to your bank account. Keep in mind that transferring funds to your bank account usually takes about 1 to 3 business days to complete. For the best experience and security, always keep your iPhone updated to the latest iOS version. This ensures you have access to all the newest features and protections. Remember to only send money to people you know and trust, as Apple Pay person-to-person payments are like cash transactions. You can easily review all your Apple Cash activity and transaction history directly within the Wallet app, providing a clear record of your spending and receiving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.